Regulates HVAC system. Easy operation. Corrosion resistant. Easy installation. Efficient performance. Motorcraft HVAC Blower Motor is designed to regulate the HVAC system. It is tested for current draw to ensure proper operation and checked for fit, form and function. This blower motor is hassle-free to install and corrosion-resistant as well as is backed by a 12-month warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Fits 2005 6.0. Fixed my AC only working on high problem in my 2005 F256.0. Disappointed that it didn't come with the pigtail or have the option, but I found one at parts store for $20. I suggest to anyone looking for this to do yourself a favor and order the wires with connector at the same time. Mine was so rusted stuck I had to drill it out. The connection was all burned up as well. While you have it out, I'd clean the evap before installing. Turns out my blower motor is bad, so I'll be replacing that as well. Ford OEM every time with a 6.0.